26-axis numerical control drilling and milling machine live application demonstration episode 3. The phenomenon of processing it like this proves that it is possible that our cutting head is reversed. If it looks like this, the effect can be seen on both the front and back sides. This is the correct front and back, and it looks like this. So what should we do after the wrong turn? Take down the 3 wires at will, swap the 2 between the 3, and you'll be fine. Be sure to pay attention to the turning direction of this drilling and milling cutter. We have some arrows here, and this drilling and milling cutter corresponds to this arrow, which rotates to the left to be correct. We will have a pointing arrow here at nose 1, one here at nose 13, one here at nose 14, and one here at nose 26. So let's have a correct one now, with 1 to 6 machine heads and material placement. Step on the switch and take it out. This is the front, which can be easily removed. It is not burred because it is plastic.
9分恒机械